Composite kitchen sinks. What you need to know before installing. Dear friends, thinking about installing a composite kitchen sink? Before you make your decision, here's what you should know to avoid costly mistakes. Composite sinks are made by combining natural stone, usually granite or quartz, with durable acrylic resin. This creates a strong, attractive sink that offers the look of natural stone without the high maintenance. One of the biggest advantages is durability. Composite sinks resist scratches, chips, dents, and everyday wear much better than many stainless steel sinks. Heat resistance is another major benefit. Most high-quality composite sinks can handle hot cookware, but placing extremely hot pans directly into the sink for long periods is still not recommended. Cleaning is simple, but regular care is important. Use mild soap and a soft sponge, and avoid harsh chemicals or steel wool that could damage the finish over time. Before installation, remember that composite sinks are much heavier than stainless steel models. Your countertop cabinet must be strong enough to support the extra weight, especially for undermount installations. Also, choose the right color carefully. Dark shades hide stains well but may show water spots, while lighter colors brighten the kitchen but require more frequent cleaning. If you want a stylish, durable, and low-noise kitchen sink that can last for years, a quality composite sink is an excellent investment. Just ensure proper installation and simple maintenance to enjoy its full benefits for many years. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.